Sol, we had a weekly demand, and per my last update, we have daily demand inside where I alerted. I also added an alert now because we have a new 3-day supply above. It's aggressive, it may not reject there, but you can sort of see here we had similar, we created 3-day supply and then started rejecting off it. This will become more risky if we hit the weekly demand first, so just be aware of that. If you're like looking to take a short once it's hit weekly demand, that's going to be significantly more risky and may fail. And again, this is still, similar to Ripple. It's a swing fail of the all-time high, second swing fail of it, which is not ideal in itself. So we need to see the reaction off this weekly demand, and then more specifically off the base of this up move to see if we're going to potentially get a breakdown from here. Or even, maybe not a breakdown, but maybe a bit more, similar to this, a bit more of a sideways move and a new consolidation sort of sitting on top of that consolidation and on top of this yearly level. So that was the other thing. Now this had also made a yearly demand, which was where we had a long entry on there in one of my previous updates. So that was a very nice long entry there, and it has played out the yearly demand. It's taken out the high. That's all it had to do to actually play out the yearly demand. So you would like to think it could go significantly higher, but it would have been nice if this had had a full breakout at that point, which it hasn't. So I did have I had an alert for the weekly supply here, just on the off chance we got a lower high, but I disclaimed it saying we were coming from yearly demand. And now then I had another aggressive short entry in 12-hour supply, which went right to the top but just about held. So that was just an aggressive short in case we do get a massive drop from here. Always worth to get those in there if you can on the lower time frames. Bring your stop to break even and just leave it. But yeah, so we'll see what more develops on that.